The Relive the Experience competition is a competition that the Institute of Geography, History, Politics and Psychology have now run for 2 years, and it's an opportunity for students to tell others about the amazing range of internships, placements and volunteering that they have done, as a way of them reflecting upon it, but also letting others know about their experiences. It's a really good way of thinking back on what you've done, because when you're actually out volunteering somewhere in Africa or you're doing an internship, you're in the moment and it's a great experience for you. And then you come back and you've got the photos and you know what you've done. But entering the competition means that you can perhaps think about it in a slightly different way and why it's been such a good experience for you. And also, as I say, to share it with other people. It was great to see the range of things that our students go off and do. I mean, it's really inspiring for us to see that. But it's somebody who can think about this and reflect upon it and communicate why it made such a big difference to them, both what they actually did, how inspired they were, and to think about how it's perhaps changed their way of thinking. Maybe it's encouraged them to consider a particular career, maybe it's shown that really they don't want to do that after all. And also our winner this year, for example, was saying that it showed him quite a few things about himself that he hadn't really realised. And those insights, I think, are so important to bring out. It's preparing you for what happens after you've finished your degree. That might be further study, but for most people it's probably going to be trying to get a job and trying to get into a career that they want to be in and they want to spend the rest of life in. So really it's preparing for life after university. But although the university, the institute, departments, individual members of staff, career service can all provide opportunities, we can't do this. Only students themselves can make themselves more employable, can prepare themselves for the next step of their life, which follows the degree.